Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare this easy and delicious apple cake. So these are the ingredients. You will find them also in the description with the right quantities I used. This is a very easy and very tasty one. It's a perfect for a speedy cake for a weekend or a dinner you might got. So let's start it up. We're gonna start preheating our oven at 150 degrees, and we're gonna in a bowl with water we're gonna squeeze a lemon, in which we are gonna peel and cut our apple. The idea is to prevent the oxidation of the apple, so we don't want it a black apple or brown. We want it to the color it has. So just peel it off, cut it, and you will see small cuts I'm gonna do on the top of the apple. It is just basically for nice looking, small cuts there. It's not a big deal. You will see now. You see these small cuts I'm doing there. I cut this apple in 3. It depends on the size of your apple. You gotta cut it into 4 pieces, each half, or just into 2. It depends, on the size of the apple, And I will continue do all the remaining apples and just preserve them on the side, So we're gonna start with our butter, sugar, and vanilla sugar. We are gonna place it on our blender for 30 seconds and the speed number 5. If you are doing manually, just blend it together, mix it together, these 3 ingredients until they are well mixed. Remember, the butter have to be outside from the fridge, so it have to be room temperature, So after this has been done, we're gonna add the eggs, but one by one, and then we add one, and we're gonna blend it for 10 seconds in the speed number 3, and then like that we're gonna proceed with the other 2 eggs, one by one. Here is the baking crew on the making, this one by one, as I said. And so let's continue. This is our third one. This is our third egg. You see, just one by one, as I said, Just try to also with a spatula to remove all the sides of your blender if you are using the Thermomix I am using. If not, of course you can do it with a mixer as well. No, not a big deal. So after we have finished adding all our eggs, we are gonna add the half of the flour, which means 100 grams, and the half of the whipping cream, which is 1.5 spoon, I'm just using with a spoon because it will be easy for her, And we're gonna blend it for 30 seconds and speed number 4. That's it. Let's keep it up. And then we're gonna just repeat the same procedure with the remaining half of the flour and of the remaining half of the whipping cream. In the meantime, I remove the water of the apples, like they just get the excess of water out, yeah. And just like that, we add the remaining half, as I said, and let's continue. So now with the serviette, I'm gonna dry out a little bit the apples. We don't want any water on it, so we're gonna try to remove as much water as you can from the apples, yeah. And now look, we got our oven tray here, and we're gonna place our dot and spread it all around our tray, yeah. Just as you may see in the video, it's not a big deal. After our dough is complete spread on the tray, on the oven tray, we are just gonna add, as you may see, our apples. We are gonna cover all our cake, our dough with the apple. As you may see, we are gonna place it just around, just a circle, and then in the middle we are also gonna do it. I just gonna show you in the next steps here in the video. Just like that, they are doing it, yeah, and we got it just like that. And after that, we're gonna cut small pieces, and we're gonna just fill the small empty places in the dough, yeah. Just we want apples everywhere. That means when you cut, every person will have apple and the dough as well, of course. And now we're gonna bake it for 15 minutes in our preheated oven, and as I mentioned it, just 15 minutes, and we're gonna remove it after that, as we're gonna pour our sauce. So when the cake is in the oven, we're gonna prepare our sauce. This is the crème fraîche, the sugar, the egg, and the half of the pack of the vanilla pudding. We're gonna mix it, and after that, we are just gonna wait, yeah, until our cake has been baked. Now the 15 minutes are gone. Look, this is our apples and with the dough, and we're just gonna pour our cream on top of it, and like all the cake gets a little bit of cream on top, as you may see. Now you do it carefully, remove it, take your time, carefully remove all the cream you got, and just spread it all around the cake, just like you may see in the video right now, just like that all the apples get a little bit of cream. After that, we're gonna back to the oven for another 50 minutes, and at the minute 50 you will see maybe it depends on your oven, if it needs a few minutes more, depending on the color of the cake on top, and also the consistency. You're gonna touch it a little bit, that it's not fluffy, yeah, that is able to be cut and not Yeah, it should be after 50 minutes. Maybe you have to add 5 minutes extra, or two or 3 minutes, yeah, but not more than that. Yeah, just 50 minutes, as you may see, same temperature, 150, and voila, this is the result after 50 minutes and cool down. Look, it looks very nice, and you are just ready to eat it. So if you are too far to here, hit that thumb up button, subscribe to the channel for more recipes. There are also already a bunch of recipes, nice cakes and salads and the different recipes we have got here. So I hope you like it, everyone, and have a nice day and enjoy the journey.